Hello friends, so welcome to Techno Updates. So this today the video is all about the trending. Nowadays trending Mac Pro for last few days because the Apple have finally released Mac Pro and so if you look at Mac Pro from what we say uh, in the website, Apple website. So the website is their official website is the best place where you can find all the specifications, design, and about pricing. But maybe pricing is not clear here, so I will tell you how much the Mac Pro costs. So first of all, let's have some overview on design, and then we will discuss on the technical specifications. So the first of all, it's Mac Pro, the design, the stainless steel design we already seen in the WWDC 2019 events. We already they already displayed their design. So now they officially released that on December 10, so you can purchase your Mac Pro from App stores or any other uh, the outlets. So before purchasing, you must look at the specifications and you must be clear what type of the model you need, because the Mac Pro have basically multiple models, depending upon your money. So the more you pay, the more better PC, the more high performance, high end PC you will get. Okay, so we will discuss first. Let's have a look at design. So it's a stainless steel cover. So we have a you look at it's very unique and different design than other PCs, other computers normally we have like a Dell, HP and other brands. So in the inside, this is the inside view. It's very compact, beautiful design. No any wires, no any other thing you are seeing. Everything is just fixed and this PCB and everything is looking is beautiful. Okay, so coming to the top design, this is the top view. So here is the power button, and this from this we can basically open the front cover. Okay, so just like this one. So now we'll open this one. So these are the PCI expansion slots. This is processor, this is MPX module. So we will discuss in our technical specifications. So first here I have overview, and another end we have this is inside this box. This is processor, and on the other hand we have the one of the best designs of for this cooling system. So they have high performance heat sinks which easily take heat from processor and take it out so for the maximum performance. Okay, so this is the best thing we have seen in the Apple Pro. It's about RAM. It's DDR4 RAM, which is up to 1.5 TB. It can support up to 1.5 TB. So there are 12 slots there. So how you have to install this we'll discuss in technical specifications. And this is all about cores, basically Intel. It just I discussed in my previous in the beginning that there are different models. You can say it's air core Intel and 12 core, 16, 24, 28 core. So if you go Xeon processors, so basically on Intel websites, you have basically you can see there are different processors they have. Okay, so from Intel website clearly find this is Xeon processors. So from here, this is the Xeon. We can say it's brochure. So it's spend less time waiting and more time creating fast visualization, simulation, rendering with up to 28 cores and 56 threads and 2 TB of DDR4. Okay, so the maximum this Xeon processors, 28 core processor support up to 2 TB of the RAM. So basically, the Apple Pro, Mac Pro supports up to 1.5 TB. So it is it's like a maximum it can support with 28 core. Okay, so this is the performance. So if you run Autodesk Maya or Adobe Photoshop, so it's 4.2 times faster than with 28 core Mac Pro than other generations of the Apple. Okay, cool. Another thing we have, this is PCI expansion slots here, so we discuss later. And this is MPX module, two MPX module for GPUs, and this is the inside of MPX module. We have GPU there, and this is again, this is a cooling mechanism fans with low noise, quite very efficient fans, and other thing we have. So let's go to its technical specifications from here. So you can see it's 8 core, 12 core, 16 core, 24 core, 28 core. So basically these are different type of process available. So the more you pay, the more you will get, the more cores you will get. So basically the cores are, in layman if I tell you, the cores are basically the processors. Maybe inside the processor there are you can say 28 more processors which can handle task differently. Each core can handle task differently, and the thread is you say it's like your hands. If core is your mouth, then threads are your hands. Okay, so with threads, means if you have one hand, so it will difficult for you to feed your mouth quickly and efficiently. If you two hands, so you can quickly do. Maybe if you have four or eight hands, you can quickly finish your work, quickly cook and quickly eat yourself. So this is like threads and cores. The more threads, the more cores, the more powerful PC you have. And on the other hand, we have DDR4 ECC memory. So ECC is error correction code. Basically, error correction code, you can say I show you correction correct this one. So this is basically RAM. We have ECC RAM, so and non-ECC RAM. In ECC RAM we have chips, and RAM there are 9 chips and 8 chips. So the one chip is for correction of the errors inside these 8 chips. So this basically makes it more robust, and in order to sometimes our RAM crashes due to some error, so this avoid these crashes. I mean, sometimes you're working with your computer with your important data, and suddenly your PC crash due to error in RAM. So this is not as such good thing. So that's why it is ECC RAM which correct if there is any corrections or in the errors in the RAM. Okay, so we have 12 slots of the RAM. If you want 32 GB, so you can have 4 8 GB RAMs, and if you want 1.5 TB, so you can have 128 GB 12 slots here. So this is the configuration. And then the other graphics, this is the basic graphics base configuration. Have Radeon Pro 580X, and then we have Pro Vega 2 and Pro Vega 2 Duo. So this is basically an MPX module, so you can add up to 4 GPUs. So now you can imagine how much powerful this PC is. Okay, so power supply is huge, 1.4 kilowatts. So it's like when you have such a powerful PC, then definitely you have to give it more power. Okay, so and it has PC expansion slots. On the other hand, we have just four. We have basically 4 TB SSD. We can install 4 TB SSD. If you have 2 TB SSDs, you can two put here. If you have two, if you want only 2 TB storage, so you can use 1 TB 1 TB modules. So basically, this data is encrypted with T2 encryption chip. So if you see here, basically this is their one the best feature, which is T2 chip. Basically it encrypts your data, and it helps you to prevent unauthorized access. There are some you don't have worry about your theft of your data. Okay, so this is all about this storage and this encryption technology. Okay, so other hand we have USB 3 ports, 3.02 ports, and Thunderbolt 3 ports, and 10 GB Ethernet ports. Okay, so another thing we have additionally USB-C port, display port, and a built-in speaker, and we have magic keyboard, magic mouse, and optional key trackpad, magic trackpad. And definitely it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and this is all about dimensions, and we have weight is about 18 kg. So this is the electrical and environmental conditions where it should operate. So these are the things. So this was all about the basic specifications. So if you want to know its price, so the basic price for its uh, for the base configuration. Okay, so base configuration is means it's a one basic configuration is 32 GB at Xeon at core and 580 graphic card, and its cost is about $6,000, and we can say it's 4,730 euro or 8,720 Australian dollars. So if you buy RAM for 1.5 TB, 28 core, and with Vega 2 Radeon, so you can imagine its cost. So the more you pay, the more you will get. A high performance PC you will get. On the other hand, the Pro Display XDR is about $5,000 display, and its stand Pro stand is for $1,000, and its VESA mount adapter is for $200. So collectively, it's very you can say it's expensive. So before going to buy, you should have money. So otherwise, it will you uh, you because it's very huge money. Even I cannot buy with my salary after 1 year of saving. So definitely it's very expensive. Another end, if you look at price and if you look at performance and specifications, so it's very high-end PC and most powerful. So if you buy, maybe you may not need another PC for maybe next 5 years or 10 years. So this was all about Apple Mac Pro. So I hope you like it. Maybe in future videos we will discuss on other devices, other technology, other latest trends. So till then, take care.